Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best MRE Meals Full is probably one of the most comprehensive and convenient emergency food solutions available. Designed for long-term storage and easy preparation, these meals offer a balanced nutritional profile, making them ideal for outdoor adventures, disaster preparedness, or simply as a reliable food source. With a variety of flavors and options, MRE Meals Full ensures you have access to tasty and satisfying meals, no matter the situation. They are designed to provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Number 5. Military Essentials MRE Emergency Food Kits. These emergency food kits from Military Essentials are designed to provide balanced nutrition for any adventure. Each kit offers diverse meals, delivering on flavor and quality. These MRE military meals are designed for convenience and longevity. They have a shelf life of 5 to 7 years or more. Equipped with the flameless heater, it ensures a hot meal is always within reach. These emergency rations are packed with 1,000 to 1,300 calories to meet your nutrition needs. The kits are durable and ready to eat without any cooking or preparation, perfect for rough terrain. Each emergency meal kit includes an entree, bread, dessert, accessory items, and a flameless ration heater. Please note that depending on the food survival kit selection you may or may not receive a ration heater. These Army food packs are ideal for emergencies and outdoor activities. This food supply kit is crafted to offer convenient, nutrient-packed solutions for hiking, camping, and fishing. What we like. This kit has everything you need in one package, including an entree, dessert, and even a flameless heater. It's designed for convenience and longevity, with a shelf life of up to 7 years. If you're planning a long camping trip or need a reliable emergency food supply, this is a great choice. What people say. Great camping food kits. I got good variety in the menu as well. Top quality rations. They're fun, easy to use, and you have a lot of different options. The beef stew is like something out of a can. The chicken burrito is also fair, but if you're not somebody who can eat canned food and have it agree with you, enemy will be even worse. Comes with a lot of extras that help out when camping. Can snack on certain contents. Number 4. KJ Poultry Kosher Ready Meals, Beef and Chicken. Looking for a special meal? These meals are made following strict kosher dietary rules. They are packed fresh and shipped to you for easy homemade meals. These meals are quick and easy to prepare, preserving all the taste and nutrition. Just microwave for 3 minutes or boil in water for 7 to 10 minutes. Made with the finest ingredients, this meal contains no preservatives or added MSG. It is proudly cooked in the USA. These meals can be stored in a dry, refrigerated, or frozen area. They can preserve their quality for up to 3 years if not damaged. Certified by the Orthodox Union, OU. The highest level of kosher is maintained, with no exceptions. The kashrut standard is never compromised. What we like. These meals are certified kosher, ensuring they meet strict dietary standards. You can prepare them quickly in the microwave or boiling water. If you follow a kosher diet or are looking for a convenient and delicious meal option, this is a perfect choice. What people say. I was looking for more MRE type meals that were highly shelf stable but less hassle, and this variety pack checks all the boxes. The food tastes decent and is okay even when not heated in a pinch. These are shelf stable and require no refrigeration, so they're perfect for traveling or if you need emergency meals. Number 3. Ultimate MRE 4-pack, Western Frontier. This is a genuine military surplus product. It's a meal ready to eat, designed for ultimate convenience and nutrition in the field. You can trust its quality and reliability. Each pack is inspected and certified by Western Frontier. This ensures that it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. It's a meal you can depend on. The pack date is printed on every meal, guaranteeing freshness. You're getting a product that is recently produced. It's ready to eat when you need it. This is a complete meal, ready to eat anytime, anywhere. It provides essential nutrients and energy. It's perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Get the Ultimate MRE 4-pack today. It's the perfect solution for your food needs. It's a smart choice for anyone seeking a reliable and convenient meal option. What we like. This is a genuine military surplus MRE, inspected in 2024 or later. It's a meal ready to eat, perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a reliable and authentic military-grade meal, you should consider this. What people say. The meals are easy to prepare. The food is shelf-stable and can be stored for long periods. The variety of meals is good. Number 2. 2021 MREs U.S. Military Surplus Assorted Flavor, 4-pack. These are genuine military MREs, ready to eat. They are perfect for any situation where you need a quick and easy meal. You'll receive 4 randomly selected meals. Each pack contains a variety of flavors, ensuring you have options. Whether you're on the trail, at a campsite, or facing an emergency, this is a great choice. It's designed to provide sustenance when you need it most. These are meals ready to eat, meaning they require no preparation. Simply open and enjoy the meal. These rations are the real deal, used by the military. They are designed to be durable and provide essential nutrients. What we like. These are genuine U.S. military surplus MREs with assorted flavors. They are perfect for hiking, camping, and emergencies. If you like to have a variety of options and need a quick and easy meal, you should consider this. What people say. The meals are easy to prepare. The food tastes great. The packaging is durable and keeps the food fresh. Number 1. Wornick Sopacko MRE 12-pack. This is a perfect solution for emergency preparedness. It's also great for outdoor activities and long-term food storage. You can trust it to keep you going. These meals require no refrigeration, cooking, or extra preparation. Simply heat and serve. Each case contains 12 meals, making it convenient for any situation. The meals have an extended shelf life, ideal for emergencies. The inspection date is not the expiration date. It can be consumed for years if stored properly. These are genuine military surplus MREs, made in the USA. They are the same meals trusted by the U.S. military, providing reliable sustenance. Each meal is packed with essential proteins, carbohydrates, and nutrients. It provides sustained energy with around 1,250 calories, perfect for any adventure. What we like. These meals have an extended shelf life, making them ideal for emergency situations. They require no cooking or preparation, just heat and serve. If you're looking for a convenient and long-lasting food supply for emergencies or outdoor activities, you should consider this. What people say. They were all fresh and sealed well. Contents were all in good shape. The entrees are all mostly like 5-10, but the snacks and desserts are all really good. I was shocked at the quality of the snacks. The pound cake is so good and those choc chip cookies have me jonesing for more. The cheese and crackers was probably my favorite. I remember getting crackers from MRE when I was a kid in the 80s and they tasted just like I remember. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.